Hello everybody, I'm Thomas. Now let's see our body kit for Land Cruiser 200. Let's see the details. For the front side, we changed the bumper, the hood, the grills, the headlight. As you know, this seat kit is our own design. We use all TD style grills, and the special parts is the 7 style daytime running light. When you start the car, the light is blue and then change to orange. For the grills, we paint high gloss black here. Also, we have pearl black for option. And for the chromes, we all paint high gloss black too. We have silver chrome for option too. Let's see the side. We developed the TD style wheel trims. Okay, you can see the beautiful sugar. Very nice. Here the stickers is the theme for this time GT Show. It's Chinese style. Let's see the back side. For the back side, we changed the rear bumper, the rear door, and the rear light. We have the door hook on the rear bumper, and also if you don't want the tailing hook, we have another style rear bumper too. For the bumpers, we all use PP material and ABS material for the grills. For the exhaust pipe, it's iron. This set kit is used for 2008 to 2015 year car. Also, if your car is 2016 to 2020, you just need to change the front bumper and the rear bumper. No change the headlight and the rear light and fenders and the hood. Okay, that's all. If you have any question, welcome to contact with us. Bye bye.